Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and studying at home. Children, welcome back in our online GK class. In our previous video, we have completed chapter 23, Table Manners. So today I am here with a new chapter, that is chapter 24, A Healthy Morning Routine. A Healthy Morning Routine, chapter 24 and page number 32. So today we will study this chapter. In this chapter, we will study some healthy routines, some healthy morning routines that we should follow each and every day in our daily life. Okay, so please take out your GK book and open page number 32. Here you can see a lot of pictures. Lots of pictures are there. 9 points are there, means 9 healthy morning routines are there. And we have to read all these routines, page number 32 and 33. Please take out your book. Before we begin the chapter, I would like to tell you about some healthy morning routine that we are going to study in this chapter. Children, every day we should wake up early in the morning and we should go to bed early. Okay? And every day we should brush our teeth in the morning and at night. So in this chapter, we will study some of these healthy morning routines that we should follow every day. Okay? I hope you have studied the previous chapter, Table Manners, and it is related with that chapter also. Okay? I told you to wash your hands regularly. In this chapter also, we will study some of the similar points. Okay, so let's start our chapter. Now I am going to show you the book closely and we will start reading this chapter. Okay? Children, this is our chapter on page number 32 and 33. Please open this chapter. Chapter 24. Chapter 24. A Healthy Morning Routine. Please open this chapter and start reading with me. We perform certain activities every day which keeps our life and health in order. This is called our daily routine. We perform certain activities every day. Children, in this chapter, we will study about some routines that we should follow each and every day in our daily life. And we do these activities every day in our daily routine. So, these are called our daily routines. Okay? See that you follow them each day. So, let's see we follow these routines or not. And if we do not follow these routines, then we have to follow all these routines from today. Okay? First one is early to bed and early to rise keeps you healthy. बच्चों, जल्दी उठना और जल्दी सोना. Early to bed means जल्दी सोना and early to rise, जल्दी उठना keeps you healthy. जल्दी सोना और जल्दी उठना आपको healthy रखता है. Right? This habit helps us to intake fresh air in the morning. When we wake up early in the morning, we get fresh air in the fresh environment. Right? And then we feel fresh throughout day. तो अगर आप जल्दी नहीं सोते हैं, तो from today you have to go early to bed. And then early to rise. जल्दी सोना और जल्दी उठना. It is said that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay? So we should follow this routine each and every day in our life. Second, greet everyone you meet with a smile. Greet karna. When we meet with anyone, we should meet with a smile. We should greet everyone with a smile. जब भी हम किसी से मिलते हैं तो हम उसे ग्रीट करते हैं जैसे नमस्ते, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, हेलो, हाय. तो those who are elder, we greet them as namaste, right? And when we meet our friends, we say hi, hello, right? So when we greet anyone who is elder or older than you, we should give a beautiful smile to them. Okay? It will make them so happy and you will be liked by everyone. Okay? So whenever you greet anyone, whenever you meet, you should give a beautiful smile to them. Okay? We should follow this routine. Okay, next. Third one. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap after using the washroom. Children, we should wash our hands with soap after using the washroom. Whenever we go to washroom, we should wash our hands with soap. Okay? In the previous chapter, table manners, I told you that before going to dining table, you should clean your hands with the soap and face also. Just like that, when we are going to use washroom, before coming out from the washroom, we should wash our hands with soap. Okay? Use soap and sanitizer every day. Number 4. Brush your teeth every morning and every night. Children, when we wake up in the morning, at first we should brush our teeth. And before going to bed, again we should brush our teeth. Okay? Brushing the teeth keeps the germs out. So please brush your teeth every morning and every night before going to bed and when you wake up in the morning. Okay? This was the 4th morning routine. Next, number 5. Perform exercise or yoga to keep fit and healthy. Children, when you wake up early in the morning, you should practice some exercise and yoga to keep yourself fit and healthy. At least every day you should perform Surya Namaskar. It is very easy and effective and it keeps us fit and healthy. Okay? Number 6. Take a bath every day. Children, when we wake up early in the morning, at first we should brush our teeth, right? Then we should take a bath every day. Every day we should take a bath. So don't skip this routine. This routine keeps us clean. Okay? Next, number 7. Comb and oil your hair. The comb should be regularly cleaned and washed. Children, we should comb our hair every day. Comb and oil your hair. We should comb our hair and we should apply oil also in our hairs. Okay? The comb should be regularly cleaned and washed. Comb that we use. This is the comb. See? In this picture. This is the comb. With the help of comb, we should make our hair, right? So every day I mean to say regularly we should clean and wash the comb so that our hairs will not get dirty. Okay? Let's move to the next point. Number 8. Wear a clean and tidy school uniform. Children, we should wear clean and tidy. हमें साफ सुथरा यूनिफॉर्म पहनना चाहिए. Okay? The socks should be washed each day. Socks जो हम पहनते हैं shoes के साथ में. These are the socks. So the socks should be washed each day. हर रोज every day we should wash our socks. हर रोज हमें अपना socks wash करना चाहिए. Okay? The shoes should be polished every day. Every day we should polish our shoes. Shoes हर रोज हमें polish करना चाहिए. Okay? Otherwise it will not look clean. Children, every day when we go to school, we should wear neat and clean uniform. Each and everything should be clean. Either it is your tie or your uniform. Even you should always clean your bags also. Okay? And shoes and socks. Shoes should be polished every day, and socks, you should wash your socks every day. Right? But when we are not in the school, when we are not going to school, that time also we should wear neat and clean dress. Whatever we are wearing every day after bathing, we should wear clean, neat and clean uniform, neat and clean dress every day, even at home also. Right? Next point, number 9. Eat a healthy breakfast before leaving for school. स्कूल जाने से पहले आपको हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट खाना चाहिए. ओके? मैगी, चाउमीन, पास्ता, junk food or any other types of food you should avoid. You should eat healthy breakfast before leaving for school. स्कूल जाने के पहले आपको हमेशा healthy breakfast करना चाहिए. It is a most important thing in our daily routine. Okay? One should not miss breakfast as it is the most important meal of the day. Children, every day we should take our breakfast. We should eat our breakfast. We should not skip our breakfast because it is the most important meal of the day. First meal. This is the first meal. This is known as the first meal of the day. So every day we should eat breakfast. It is most important to eat our breakfast because it keeps us healthy and we feel energetic every day, whole day. We feel energetic whole day, not every day, whole day. When we eat breakfast every day, we feel energetic, right? So children, we have completed our chapter 24, a healthy morning routine. I hope this was interesting and you will follow all these morning routine in your daily life. बच्चों, healthy morning routine follow करना बहुत ही जरूरी है. So please follow all these routines in your daily life and it will keep you fit and fine, right? It will keep you healthy. You have to learn all the healthy routines, at least 5 healthy morning routines you have to learn. Okay? So please learn all these routines. Okay, children? That's all for this chapter. We will meet in the new video with the new chapter. Thank you. Bye.